Pedicures are key for proper foot hygiene, and it's also essential for just overall well-being. When our feet feel good, we feel good. We're gonna start with the stainless steel toenail clipper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create our shape and our length with this. The reason being is it has a super straight edge. This is to help prevent getting ingrown nails, as well as reduce the risk of splitting the nail when you're creating your length and your shape. Start by removing your corners, and you wanna remove those at about a 45-degree angle. If it's already deep into the sides of the nails, don't go any deeper. You just wanna make sure that that edge is nice and smooth. Once we have our shape and our length determined, I like to go in and refine that shape using my Tom Bachik Tweezerman file. This is a dual-sided file with a 180 side and a 240 side. The 180 side is going to be your more coarse side. On toenails, usually they're a little bit thicker, and you might want to use the 180 side, but all we're doing is refining the shape that we created with our clipper. Like I do with the hands, I'll do the same thing with the toes. I just automatically draw that imaginary line down the center of the nail, and I work from one side to the center, the other side to the center. I think that just a beautiful, natural, soft square looks perfect on toes and looks great with any color.